Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can curve text in MS Word. So let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Now go to the Insert tab from the top menu and click on WordArt. You'll see different text styles. Choose any style you like. Once you select it, a text box will appear where you can type your text. After typing, you can move it anywhere on the page. Now make sure your WordArt text is selected. Go to the Shape Format or WordArt Format tab that appears at the top. Click on Text Effects, then go to Transform. Here you'll see different options like Arch, Curve, and Warp styles. Select any curved style you prefer, and your text will instantly change into that shape. You can adjust the curve by dragging the corners of the text box, and you can also rotate or resize it to match your design. This is how you can easily curve text in MS Word. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.